Today, Monday, 18th of September. We are trading with the CATS engine 1.0.3.10a. Today we are not trying to make any errors or mistakes. We're just trading with the engine to see how it reacts. At the moment we have still our 17 open positions. We've been having 17 open positions for the whole week. Today, outside of the trading hours, he started to sell Cisco. For the last 7 days I have closed one position because I wanted to be able to trade on it again, which was X. I've done this manually by hand, and we still have an open position from last week on SYMC, as you can see from the lack of there being a closing order, and all of the other positions have closed. So we're not doing too bad. We have one closed order which is older than a week on M. So basically we are almost at the same position as we were last time. We also have from last week this share MGM 200, which are still open. I'm going to trade again with C1 and C2. I'm going to start trading. You can see here Cisco, the price was higher than our sale price. Typical. Only happens on paper trading that your price is higher than your offering. Today we are again trying to get about 10 trades. This share we had 2 trades on last time, as you can see on the 2 months line. We had 2 trades. CATS is not trying to make as much profit as possible. He's trying to trade as you like. If you would have done a manual trade and you would have exited, you've made maybe $3,000 on this position. CATS is not trying to make a long-term investment. This is what you can do as a private individual. We have done 2 completed trades. Looks to me as if we lost a position. This is the trade we closed yesterday on Friday with a loss, because we wanted to be able to trade on it again. Today we were able to trade on it. We made $42. We are now about a minute in the algorithm. We have created 3 profitable trades. As you can see, clearly it's not calculating correctly at Interactive Brokers group headers. I don't know why, but they are indicative, they are not actual. Let's have a look and see if CATS lost any orders. Doesn't look like it. Still have only Hong Kong open. Here CATS requested 3,000 shares, because we're always requesting 3,000 shares. We have been allocated only 100 shares. This can always happen. Alright, I think we now have our 100 positions. I'm going to hit F2 to pause trading. By pausing the trading, cats will continue recording, continue learning. But seems to me like it keeps selling. I'm going to terminate cats by hitting the escape button. Alright, here we have been given the full lot. Just now we saw the bid and ask jump above our requested sale price. Probably is gonna, if it sell really fast. You can look at the book trader to see the requested sizes. As you can see from the subscription we see no shares allocated in this price range. Doesn't mean there's no hidden orders, of course. It just means that this is a very volatile stock, is going to jump. Cats can only see what you subscribe. What you don't subscribe, you cannot see. This is a share which is also worthwhile looking at because we have 1,300 positions on it. Can increase it, or we can leave the price as is. He bought it at 737, wants to sell it at 737. He wants to sell it at 775, so he only wants to make 2 cents on this share. I want him to make at least a little bit more, so we get our cost back. As you can see, sometimes you're just too late with adjusting because you've already sold the orders. It's one of the previous positions. If I put the trades on the last 7 days, we see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago. We're probably going to sell it today. Alright, I'm going to terminate the video. It's now 8 minutes and 42 seconds.